Louisiana. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm system for radio stations serving southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana. During potentially dangerous weather situations across the area, the alarm tones you just heard would be activated and immediately followed by information about the impending hazard. Your reception of the alarm tones and radio broadcast may vary at times even though you are using a quality receiver that is in good working order. This test is normally conducted each Wednesday morning around 11 a.m., but will be rescheduled for the next available fair weather day in the event of hazardous weather. This has been the National Weather Service. We now return to our regular programming. These are the 10 a.m. observations.